You'll be blown away by all the renovations and upgrades. And just a couple blocks away from the home of the Glenbrook South Titans. Established in 1962, Glenbrook South High School is ranked in the top 1% of all high schools nationwide and number 10 in Illinois. Now let's head inside to 1647 Robbins Drive in Glenview with sparkling hardwood floors and modern upgrades. Stylish lighting, you're sure to love this home. Natural light, abundant counter space, and stainless steel appliances. Complemented with white cabinets that reach all the way to the ceiling, which I can almost touch. A mirrored backsplash, sleek light fixtures, and a contemporary hood and wine fridge enhance this kitchen's design. A combined mudroom and laundry provide convenience and efficiency. The second level offers 5 large bedrooms and a striking updated hall bathroom. Primary bedroom is a sanctuary of light and space, featuring a huge walk-in closet, a sleek and modern bathroom, which offers floating vanities, skylight, and soaking tub. Before we head outside, let's peek in the basement. It's a perfect space to host all your game day parties and a beautiful paver brick patio. I hope you enjoyed today's tour, and if you'd like more info on this home or other homes in Glenview, please be sure to reach out. For exclusive access to all of our listings, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.